Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fake scratches. For this makeup, you will need liquid latex, some cotton balls, cream paint, skin foundation, a makeup sculpting tool. As a substitute, you can always use a popsicle stick as well. Some brushes, Q-tips, some makeup sponges, setting powder or baby powder, and some fake blood, both thick consistency and runny. If you'd like to know where to get these products, they are available on my Amazon affiliate page. The link to them will be down in the description below. As mentioned before, we will be using liquid latex in this makeup tutorial. Prior to using latex, check to make sure that there are no latex allergies. My model does not have a latex allergy and is clear to have liquid latex on her skin. Also, as an important reminder, liquid latex should never be applied onto the hair due to the fact that it can rip it out. And also, it should never be applied on and around the eye area. Start by grabbing one of the cotton balls, and you want to unravel it, ripping it apart into long, thin pieces. Just like this. Make a small pile of them and set them to the side for later. Before applying any makeup, you want to clean the skin. Soap and water, as well as a good skin cleanser, will do the trick. Now, you want to grab some black cream paint and a brush. Get some of the paint onto the tip of the brush, and you want to draw an outline of the scratches onto the skin. This will serve as a great guide during the application. And if you need some help drawing the outline of the scratches, referencing a photo of fake scratches will definitely help. Next, you're going to take your liquid latex, dip a Q-tip in it, just like this, and you're going to paint the latex on one of the outlines of the scratches. You want to trace the latex directly on top of the lines. After that, grab one of the pieces of cotton strips that was made earlier, and you want to apply the strip directly on top of the latex lines. Lay the strip down until it completely covers the latex. If you find that your cotton strip is a bit thick and runs wider than the latex line, you can always carefully pull apart the excess cotton. You want to get your sculpting tool or popsicle stick and dip it into the latex. You would then want to blend the cotton down into the skin with the latex. Lightly paint the latex on, allowing it to soak it up and lay down smooth onto the skin. While the latex is still drying, you want to also go in with your tool and sharpen the inner lines of the scratch, creating a sharper appearance. Next, you want to repeat the same steps onto the other scratch outlines that was drawn onto the skin. You want to give it time to dry before moving on to the next step. To know if the latex is completely dry, tap your finger onto it. It should no longer feel sticky or pull up. After it dries, grab some setting powder and lightly dab it onto the latex with the sponge to get rid of the shine. Next, grab your skin foundation. Apply some of it on the makeup sponge and lightly dab the pigment onto the latex. You want to apply the foundation on the outside of the latex and not in between the scratches. You can also grab some of the red pigment from your cream paint and apply it on the latex with the foundation. This will create an illusion of irritation to the scratches. Now, you want to grab some liquid latex again, and to add more depth and texture inside of the scratches, you want to apply a bit of liquid latex in the middle of the scratches with a Q-tip. And then apply little bits of cotton on the latex. After that, seal it off with a bit more liquid latex and allow it to dry. Next, you want to select a dark red or burgundy cream paint as well as a black cream paint. And you want to paint the inside of the scratches. You want to paint the majority of the inside of the scratches with the red tone. This will illustrate deeper layers of skin. After that, apply the black cream paint along the sides of the lines of the latex and on the deepest points of the scratch. This will add to the illusion of layers. Finally, select a fake blood with a thick consistency, apply it on a Q-tip, and place it in the darkest points of the scratches. Lightly tapping it onto those areas will do the trick. Lastly, grab some fake blood with a looser consistency. Apply it on a Q-tip and paint it in the scratches. Let gravity naturally guide the fake blood down, spilling out past the lines of the scratches for a realistic finish. Dabbing some fake blood around the scratches will also intensify the illusion of irritation. And that's how you make fake scratches. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.